Today, I don't know today my truth, ladies. I hello. How una day? Una don't bring today na pa oh. Do they waste time today? Una bring una pencil, una foundation, una concealer, una spoolie come with flat brush. Now which we want use today. And I beg you whenever hit subscribe button, do hit am now before you forget. So maybe continue. Because I get oily skin, I dey always apply my primer for my brows area. Tell una say if I no do like this, my brow will start to scratch me, and oil will come dey go dey very oily, like I want fire cara for that place. I dey apply this one, then I use powder. Press am. Put this powder on my skin too. I don't know whether na only me, but when una do na brows, e dey scratch. My brows just dey scratch. So every time I do brows finish, after I don't do makeup, it come dey scratch me. See this pulley wey I talk, and we don shave our brow last class. If you never watch that video, I go put am for description so that you go see how we shave our brows. So we come out like that. See that's why I say you shave your brows, it go dey easier. So we will come do the outline of the brow now. Your pencil need sharp oh. Abeg make I do camera make e come closer. Pencil need sharp. So you wan start here. See, now here for down. When you do am like this, you go dey close to your, see, now here. So we do here first. I want show na outline. Then when they say arc, see this place. If you see am, e dey like your eye dey divided into two. And this side be your arc. Then this side you go end on this side. You start here for down. For upside, now here you go start. But for down, now here you start. Arc here, you end am here. Start here, arc here, you end am here. Maybe draw am as you do so. As you dey go up, when you don reach that arc place, you go raise am up. Come bring am down. This arc side, you bring am up. Come take am down. As I do am, shebi. Start here. Go. As I dey go, I dey arc am. Then down. Then this upside, we go start here. Because this side, we wan fill am in, so it go look natural. Start here. Sure, when you reach that arc side, you go go up small too. Then you come down. You join am. See as I do am, shebi. This pencil wey I use dey dark. I can use this one wey no too dark, fill in. So my show. No worry, any mistake wey you do, you go use your concealer. Excuse me, correct am later. So we'll come dey fill am in with that dark one. We'll come like draw line. Draw, fill am in. Especially this arc side. This I no get hair here. But since I want that arc, I will come fill am. I see they use that pencil wey dey dark oh. I don dey reach the front side, I will come change the pencil. See as this one sharp. All of them na Davis pencil. The other one na number 3. This one na 18. This one na 18. Why I been dey tell una last time. Come draw head like trans. You come try to mimic the this thing. Head wey dey your this thing. Don't cut. Don't cut my shape now again. Come back. I don't go shape now. This side we want am make it natural. No say me I no too get hair. I no get hair, man. I no say I no too. See as e dey so. And this side, you see say this side too dey thick. You come use concealer now correct all this side where we no want. That's why as a beginner, you don't know how to draw your brows. E good make you do your brows first before you do makeup. If you do mistake, how you go take correct? As a beginner, then show you 2 brush like this for your flat brush for your concealer. They say pick one. I go say me you pick this one. Pick this one. See this one as is small. This one now, when you don't really know how to do your brows, this one are very precise. See, as for this downside, we will use our concealer. And I dey use Flawless Ivy camouflage concealer. And for small for back of my hand. This one too, you need paper, tissue paper or wipes, anyone wey you get, you need them because you can't use them clean your brush every time you will need clean. Cover. Or clean and then they say cleaning. If this thing finish, you clean them again because you don't use this thing. Go back. Especially this arc side. You clean them again. Why you dey clean them? Because you don't use them. Sometimes it will dey dark. Come use them, do them down, down, down. You can't dey spray them now. You go dey very careful. Oh. Any mistake now, if you go inward, scatter everything wey we don't do. Use your hand. Why I say me use your hand? Because if you control your hand. If you use beauty sponge now, if you scatter the whole progress. Use your hand do. And you see as I do my face, right? I jack am so that it would be easier to clean. Foundation for the top of the brow, not your concealer. You see the concealer today bright, right? You use your foundation. Oof, too plenty. Put them for the back of your hand. Go in with your brush. You don't stay where I use big brush like this. Just bring and no forget. Why I say for beginner, this type of brush is sweet. I'll clean, go back again, go take more. When you don't dey finish, you go back, go take more. I like how this foundation smell. See this hair garnister. Oh, small mistake. Most this actor, you need to be very careful. Use your hand. Why they see me use your hand? Your hand, if you control your hand well, well. But if you use this thing, it dey difficult. You blend them out like this. You see as e dey don take shape. So if you conceal like this finish, you will come see places where you need filling again. So you go back with your pencil, go fill them in. As bonus point, you see that your concealer brush wey you use for your up, the remaining foundation wey dey there, excuse me, use am for this front side. You say later you come put contouring, and this side suppose dey dark. You go use am reduce the brightness of that concealer wey you been use. Reduce the brightness here too. Then na just here go dey very bright. You clean with your hand, go back with your pencil. That one wey no too dey dark oh. After you don do like this, you go see all this space wey you need filling again. You come put am, draw. I like strands if you fit for places where you need draw. Even for places where you need fill. When I been dey learn makeup, you know say this side dey difficult pass this side. The left side dey difficult pass this right side. The person wey been teach me been say make I first do the side wey dey difficult. After I do that side, before I do this side. But that one no dey work for me. I dey do the side wey dey easy for me. When I finish that side, I'll come do the side wey dey difficult. Try to match am to the side wey dey easy. And your brows na sisters. So naturally self they no look the same. So you just try to make them look as much identical as you can. I don't know which that kind of big English I just speak so. Fill am again. This side dey very dark, this side dey light. Your spoolie again. You come and see why you been need shave your brows before you draw. Very easy if you shave your brows. So now use that concealer. Conceal your eyes. So you use Davis pencil, you use your foundation for this upside, you use your concealer for this downside. You use spoolie to come out the brows. You apply your primer for your brows if you dey sweat like me. This one na because I dey oily. I dey produce oil for my brows too. And when I finish to do my brows, it dey scratch me. That's why I dey do this one. This one, then you do powder. Then you need your flat brush to use define the brows. Clean the brows, not clean or define the brows. Yeah, now wetin you just need be that for your brows. This one na for your brows. So, and these brows, I beg, una go dey practice. So I hope say today class you learn something. If you never subscribe, abeg hit the subscribe button. Click notification so that anytime when I upload, you go dey see my video. Leave this side of the eye, leave am. So anytime I upload, you go dey see. And if you link on me on Instagram, I go put my this thing here. One person linked me up for Instagram. I was so happy. Say you come from YouTube. Ah, my girl, thank you for linking up. So until next video, pick up yourself and practice. Practice. So talks are not there.